Hello everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm giving a shout out to Skyreat. I bought a tablet holder from them for use on my Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom as a tablet holder back in July, and it worked well. Had to make some modifications, nothing to the Skyreat, just on how I used it. However, back on the a couple weeks ago, it gave me some problems, and so I'd like to show you what happened, and then tell you what Skyreat did for me. So this is the unit right here. These tabs fold up like this, and then this mounting bracket goes on it like such. It worked fine. However, I went to use it one day and this bolt broke that holds it together. Let me give you a closer view. Yeah, see that the other one broke off, and I couldn't extract it, or I'd have replaced it myself. It just broke the head off. Anyway, I contacted Skyreat, and they asked me for my order number. I got it off of Amazon. They asked me for my order number, and while I was on vacation, a package arrived. And we'll take a look at it here. And there's a replacement. So I thought I would do another unboxing. And I talked to Derek, and that was, first response was on the 8th of October. Then I had the first contact with him. Oh, look. Sent me another lanyard as well. The 8th of October, and the 9th of October he responded, and he said he would ship one out, and it arrived while I was on vacation on the 15th. Anyway, Derek at Skyreat, thank you so much for the replacement. I wanted to make this video and tell everybody about it. And this has got the metal nut as well. So now I have discovered a couple things about using this that makes it easier for using with the Mavic Pro, Mavic 2 Pro, and the Mavic 2 Zoom. If you've set it this way into the controller, take these things out. Okay, it's designed because it's got a single lanyard here at this bottom. I guess they've designed it to go in because it's cut out here as well, where these notches, the holder notch goes in. Anyway, if you use it like this, and I've got my tablet right here, loosen it up. I'm going to go ahead and drop the tablet in. It won't matter on this. This is, if you flip it this way, you have to really dip down to see your telemetry. However, if you spin it more this way, then you can see your telemetry better. Anyway, shout out to the good people at Skyreat. Derek, thank you very much. I just wanted to shout out and give another video. It works real good with the unit. The thing is, to use it for me, I flip it around. Let me show this. I flip it around where the one hole is and put it in the unit this way, where the one hole is up top. Now you have to use one of these other holes down here for your lanyard because it won't really work. However, it changes this configuration here. Spin it around. Changes this configuration here so that when you lay in your iPad, it gives you can tip it down and see both of them. So it works when you do that for me. You could use it the other way where the telemetry, you can't see the telemetry, but your telemetry is on your iPad anyway. I just like to use it doesn't give the RPM of the engine or the motors or anything. If you got it turned this way with the Skyreat put in upside down, of which it's originally designed, I believe, then you could still tip down and see your telemetry and your status on your screen. So once again, thank you, Skyreat. If you have other products, I'll take a look at them if they're suitable for my needs, but you'll be my first go-to whenever I need products for my Mavic 2 Pro or Zoom. Once again, thanks a lot, Derek at Skyreat, and I'll post this video both on the YouTube and on the Amazon to make sure that everybody knows how well Skyreat is in their customer service. Thanks, everybody. Check out my channel. Subscribe to my channel where you'll find some videos of drone flying, the Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom, along with safety related videos. Until I see you again, everybody have a good day. Make sure you give me a thumbs up to show that you appreciate receiving this review, and also subscribe to my channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature, along with safety videos and drone flight videos. Till we see each other again, have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.